SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
We are pleased to show you the 2014 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, airbags, front passenger seat cushion, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.